good. Come on, market. What do we got going on here? Let's see. All right, team. So, well, I don't see it over on YouTube. Hold on. You guys can't see me now, can you? Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Did that work? It doesn't look like it has. Yes, it has. All right, fuck yeah, there we go. What up, everybody? Welcome back to another day. I don't know what the deal is. It's a little bit weird. I'm still getting the workflow down a little bit when I click that go live button on the new streaming software. So, team, welcome back to another live stream. Welcome back, everybody. I hope everybody is having a good day. All right, so we're live now. Good morning, everybody. All right, man. Happy Pal Day. Hopefully, everybody's all right. So there's a couple things that we got to talk about first. One, we did get some economic data this morning. Two, Bed Bath & Beyond is getting delisted, which makes a metric boatload of sense because that thing was always a piece of garbage. You know what it's very similar to? You know exactly what I'm talking about. AMC, it's the same sort of deal. So, again, guys, stop letting yourselves get led to the slaughter when you do not have to. Stop it. Stop trying to hit these lottery tickets. It's not what you need to be doing in the market. You're going to get blasted. All right, folks. So, holy shit, you guys are ripping up the like button over here already. I appreciate it. Keep smacking that on the way in. We can do a little bit of the economic data stuff. We did see, what was it? It was this one. ADP employment came in way higher than expected. The expectation was like 133,000. It came in like the 200,000s. So people are funneling back into the workforce, which is going to be interesting for today's Fed meeting. What about FRC? I mean, that's slightly different. That's banking issues. But again, it's mismanagement of risk. They suck. They completely sucked at managing their risk. And then they kind of got caught in with the bank run nonsense. So I stay away from the banks. Anything like that, guys, that's super high risk bullshit, I don't go near it. Why would we? It makes no sense for us to. It really doesn't. You want to go in and stick your head in the alligator's mouth and hope you don't get bit and then complain every single day when the alligator starts snapping at you? You're just a dum-dum. So, all right, folks, keep smacking that like button on the way in. But my short interest is high, but my cost to borrow is high. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. So, let's see. Nancy, NVIDIA is interesting here. NVIDIA came down with AMD after their earnings. I actually am, the AMD numbers, I mean, the EPS was kind of shitty in terms of like when you compare it historically, but this thing, I mean, this thing fell very significantly. If you look at the 200 EMA on the daily on AMD, it is 83.89. We come back above there. I mean, that could be a nice little test down there of that 200 EMA before potentially more continued upside, but it's really going to depend on what Powell has to say later today. I'm going to say this once and then I'm not going to say it again. The report comes out at 2. The Powell speaks at 2:30. If you are one of those individuals, and I'm going to tweet this out later too, that's continuously asking, when's Powell, when's Powell, when's Powell? Stop trading. Stop participating in the market. Those are the very basics of what you have to know going into every trading day, what the news is, when it's happening, and what the news could potentially do to the market. It's the cold, honest truth. But it is what it is. I mean, you can't really go into the market every single day and not know what's about to happen and not know what's on the schedule. That is critically important to your success. But let's see here, folks. So, let's see. What's Tessie doing? Tessie knifing over here. Okay. Hello. Morning, team. What up, Tor? How you doing, buddy? Oh, my God. We're almost at 50 likes already. We've barely been on the fucking stream. Thank you, team. Are we going to get Jerome higher for longer Powell today, or are we going to get Jerome fuck your puts Powell? I don't know. We'll see. We will see which version of Powell that we get today. Is it higher for longer Powell, or is it fuck your puts Powell? I'm very interested to see. I'm excited for it. Oh, also, this is something else that I need to tell you guys, and this is one of the reasons why I said don't fucking start trading futures until I tell you about it. If you have started doing this on a live account, you are in for some bullshit today. The margin, the intraday margin rates go up right around these times of big news. Don't margin call yourself. I'm telling you, do not start trading futures until I make these videos for it and you start paper trading for a while. Sup, dude? Not much, buddy. DraftKings? What's up with DraftKings? What time frame? What are you looking at? It's flat in the pre-market, so please be more specific with the tickers. That 4-hour making everything look good on that down to bad, not open market. I don't know what that means, buddy. All right. I mean, we do have this daily level at 410.50 on the SPY here. We didn't really give a shit about it yesterday. I mean, we kind of did coming into later in the day here. We respected it in the after hours yesterday. Let's see if we can respect it today. It'd be a decent level to take longs off of. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, yesterday's price action was fucking insane. Let's see. All right, folks. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Spread the stream out to as many people as we can. It's an important day here, everybody. And again, remember, all of you people filtering in right now, everybody gets their first month to the platform completely free. The link is at the top of the live chat. I just threw it in there for you guys as well. Use code GAINS, and you guys can join us in Print City. Or you can decide to go hang out with the people that are talking about Bed Bath & Beyond like it's the best thing since sliced bread, telling you what you want to hear, even though it's getting fucking delisted and going to zero. The choice is yours. You want to make money or do you want to get led to the slaughter? But let's see, folks. What else do we have today? ISM services at 10. Okay. Oh, we got shit at 9:45 too. Oh, this is, I still may not do, I mean, dude, I may not trade at all today. Like, this is just ridiculous. Lots of data, Fed meeting, like, just wait and see what's going to happen. Wait and see. Also, let's do a quick little poll. Drop in the live chat. What do you think Powell's going to do? What do you think Powell's going to do today? 25 basis points? Do you think 0? Do you think he comes in with a jumbo 50, which is, I think, incredibly unlikely? What do we think? Every day is a special day. I mean, in Print City it is, man. In Print City it is. Educational day? Yeah, what do you guys think? You think 25, you think 0, or you think 50? You may not trade either. Only one trade this week. Yeah, that's fine. 25, yeah, I agree. I think so too. 25, 25. Not a hedge fund says 0. Interesting. Everybody, a lot of other people saying 25. 150. Shut up, winning loser. We're not doing that. 25, 25, 25. Yeah. I mean, there's currently, I tweeted this out a little bit earlier. There's currently 85, well, it was 85.1. Let's see what it is now. Yeah, still 85.1% probability that there's a 25 basis point rate hike in our future coming in a couple hours here. 25 basis points, then hold for a bit. Yeah, I think we're going to get the 25, and then look at the new I-bond rates. Aren't they lower? I thought the I-bond rates dropped. Did they go from like 6 to 4 or something? What are they? What were they before? Because I don't know if I'm going to be able to see that on this. Because I thought they were lower now after May 1st. 4.3. Right. Okay. Yeah. Series 1 savings bond. Or Series I. Whatever the fuck. 4.3%. For bonds issued May 1st to October 31st. But wasn't it 6 or something? I thought I saw that. Wasn't it 6? That's what I thought. Yeah, okay, so the most important thing here, guys, is what Powell's going to say in terms of guidance on how long we're going to stay at these elevated rates and when we're going to start backing off. Now, everybody's expectation right now is recession Q4. That's the market expectation and the consensus. Now, if that happens sooner or if it doesn't happen, we could stay a little bit higher for longer. If we start to see all of these data points continue to show growth decline, then yes, we will start decreasing rates sooner. It could happen this year, but that's kind of when we're going to start looking at TLT as well. 6.89. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it was. They were high. Yeah. It was like 6.89, and then on May 1st, it like dropped to like 4 something. But yeah, those I-bonds are interesting. There's a lot of politicians telling him to stop. I don't know. I think 25 just to break the system. Well, are we even at 5 yet? We are, right? 4.7. Is it 4.75 to 5 we're at right now? Yeah, 4.75 to 5. So then we're going to go 5 to 5.25. I don't know. I think he's going to do it. I think we have that one more left in the tank. Should he? I don't think so. The problem, this is the problem that we've been saying for a while. It's like since they were so behind the curve, they have to be so freaking aggressive in fast with how they're going to be raising these rates. So they might just say, fuck it, YOLO. What's an extra quarter point going to do? A lot, but like, I don't know if it's going to be system breaking. The market's going to overreact to whatever news, but no rate hike would be epic. The problem with no rate hike now is it leaves open the ability to do rate hikes later this year. Yeah, non-farm was 296 versus 148. That was big, which is also kind of why I think they're going to do another one. People are coming back into the workforce. Housing's not coming down. Yeah, I mean, in some pockets it will. In some price points it will. But like, if you think about it, like, housing is going to take so long. Okay, think about it like stocks. If I want to go sell a stock, I can do it in 2 seconds. If I want to go sell a house, it's probably going to take, I don't know what, 3-4 months, something like that, depending on the market. Housing is going to take a long period of time in order to adjust. I mean, we started raising rates, what was it, last March? Well, not like 2023 March, but 2022 March. So seeing that happen, I mean, yeah, we're a little over a year into these rate hikes. But it's still, I mean, we'll see. I mean, you could just see it start slipping when the demand just drops out. Rent's coming down. I don't see it. My rent's not going down, bro. Woo-hoo! My rent's going up. Baba's in the zone. I like for a bounce. Yeah, I know. I flipped it last week for like, I don't know, 16, 17% on a swing. Is it at the bottom of the zone? Or did it slip out of it? Yeah, Baba is in the zone I like for swing. I don't want the weekly. I want the daily. Hold on. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Baba's really at that level that I like. So, we'll see. Watch 79.50 on Baba. If it comes down there, I'll start hunting it. Commercial real estate still a big problem coming? Oh, I agree with you there. He could have Volkered it at least. I mean, he kind of did. Like, he sort of did. Oh, we got a lot of slackers in here today. Guys, it is Powell Day. You have, again, if you guys hit 500 likes on the streams today, we will do ankles. So the Powell Day is probably your only chance to do it. We got over 100 slackers in here right now not hitting the like button. All right, team. I see how it is. I see how it is. 75 bips rips the Band-Aid off. We're not doing 75. That's, no. Not happening. No. Should we? I don't know. Maybe. Hold on. No, that would be insane. Nancy coming back up a little. Spy, hello. Good afternoon, Mr. Spy. He did 5% in one go. That's ridiculous. Bro. Imagine if fucking Powell was like 500 basis points. No. Dude, our system is too fragile for that, man. 500 bips? Did he really do that? Okay, I don't know. I'm chilling. Oh, there you guys go on the like button. I see you. I appreciate you. All right, so level on AIM, what is it? 83.90 something on the day, the 200 EMA on the daily. That's what I'm looking for. 83.89. Baba at 79.50 could get. I mean, that's a big drop, but that is the level that I'm watching. Remind me how the ankle teasing all started again. Who first started suggesting showing them? Some person with the intellect of an ant said that because Ken Griffin's plane hadn't moved in 2 weeks, that he must be on house arrest. And I very validly lost my fucking mind because at that point I knew that everything was becoming a fucking clown show. That was the type of things that people were talking about. So I said, my car hasn't moved in 2 weeks. Am I on house arrest? And they said, well, probably not, but show us your ankles. That's what happened. And then it was all downhill from there. All right, let's see. That's how the ankle thing started. Dude, give Ants a little more credit than that. I'm fair. I probably should. They're probably smarter than these people. All right, folks, it's Powell Day, man. We got 15 minutes until market open. The ding ding is coming. Oh, here we go. And I want you guys to realize this too. Whatever you're doing today, whatever you have going on, whether it's trading, whether it's just doing the things that you normally have to do, what you always have to realize at the end of the day is that you are in control. Don't let those thoughts get into your head that you're not, and there's extraneous factors out there saying, no, you're not in control, somebody's out to get. No, you are in control. Where you are right now is based on the decisions that you've made. But if you aren't happy with that, the beautiful thing about having your own decisions being the cause of your own outcome is that if you change your decisions and the way that you think, you are able to change your results. Cool. Let's do it. So, free car giveaway? No. Is the playground code for meeting your probation officer? No. Nice origin story. I love it. For the ankles? Yeah. The ding ding is coming! It is. SPY moving up here. I gotta see what the margin rates are for pre-market on this futures account. Because, like, there are some trades that, like, I would have taken here. And I just, like... I'm like, I don't want to, like, accidentally over leverage here by accident. Like, I know what they are when market opens, so, like, I'm chill with that, so I'll just wait. But, all right, team, keep smacking that like button on the way in. The ding ding is coming. We are about to, I mean, I don't really know if I'm going to do much today. It's just like, I'm up nicely this week, just chilling. Just chilling. Air fryer. Did I scale back on my AMD? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I mean, that thing still has a lot of upside left. No matter what one earning says, like market starts to turn up a little bit. I mean, I would still, even though like technically we're not in like bear market. I mean, the data and everything and the way that this market reacting, it kind of is. We go back to full bull market stuff. I think AMD could have some fun. But who knows? We'll see. What do you think about a firm? Does it fall into bank fears? I don't think so. Maybe. Today you're going to spike your coffee so you can raise your risk? What? No, Wrecker Ralph. I haven't done that yet. I mean, we'll see. I mean, maybe if it gets back into triple digits, I will. But remember, I own it at 12. And again, I don't have, this is the other thing, I don't have a purpose for the money that's in it right now. Like, if I were to sell some of it, I don't have a place to put it yet. When we look at TLT, what needs to happen? I'll look at TLT today. I mean, you almost need, like, an emergency rate cut for TLT. Where is it right now, though? Okay, TLT got murdered Monday. Came back yesterday. I don't hate it. I mean, remember, we bottom ticked it last year with the video. It was in here. If you go back and look at the timestamp of the TLT video, it's in here in the low 90s. I think I said if it broke 90, I was going to buy a shitload of it, and then it never did, so I was like, all right, well, I'm not going to buy it. But yeah, I am interested in it. You got the day if you get a daily close above the 200 EMA, I think that could be interesting. That doesn't happen very often with it. The last time it was above that was what, 2021. So if that happens with TLT, I mean, that could show some interesting signs of boom boom time, and that's 108.12, which it has been above a few times. So we'll see. Pump the likes. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Keep running those up on the way in. We are going to have a fun day today. It's Powell Day. Hope you guys are ready. And for all you new people filtering in right now, again, stop letting yourself get led by the slaughter by morons on social media. If you guys know of anybody that was saying that Bed Bath & Beyond was a good idea, you now have a second opportunity to go back and tell them that they are fucking stupid. Again, it happened with AMC. I tried to warn you guys. Everybody sent me death threats and stuff, and then they kept listening to what they wanted to hear. You now have another opportunity with Bed Bath & Beyond to get yourself out of being fucked. So figure it out. Stop being a dum-dum. But yeah, everybody, again, remember, you guys all get access to over 1 month free to the platform that we have here for you guys. Again, if you want to take your trading seriously and stop getting led to the slaughter, use code GAINS. You get 1 month free. Let's see here, though. Ooh, 10 minutes till the ding-ding. This is not the day to fuck around and find out. Right, don't. I'm not. When Powell comes out, I'm not touching shit. No, thank you. I mean, maybe I'll scalp SPX or something, but doubt it. Oh, Nikki Leaks got something new. The U.S. Treasury will design a program to buy back government debt with plans to execute purchases beginning next year. The Treasury hasn't done this since 2000. Oh, shit. Based on feedback from a broad variety of market participants, including the Treasury Borrowing Advisory Committee and primary dealers, the Treasury believes it would be beneficial to conduct regular buyback operations for cash management. Is that? In liquidity support purposes. What? Treasury anticipates designing a buyback program that will be conducted in the regular and predictable manner, initially sized conservatively. That's just going to add to their fucking balance sheet, isn't it? That's the opposite of what the Fed needs to do. Are they just going to start fucking turning on the money printer right now? Given various operational and design considerations, the Treasury expects to begin regular buyback program in the calendar year 2024. The Treasury will continue to engage with market participants as it designs a specific buyback program details and will provide further updates to the public on its implementation plans in the future quarterly refunding announcements. What the fuck, bro? Let's think. Buying bonds. Why would they buy bonds? Well, if they can buy... it's QE, but yeah, 25 basis points guaranteed. Right, because they can come in and pump up the bond market because then, see, this exactly. So they can come in now if they're going to say, okay, we're going to backstop these bonds to make sure that they don't go fucking nuts. Remember what happened with the Bank of England. Okay, this is really interesting. I might make a video about this for you guys. Remember what happened with the Bank of England with all of the pension fund nonsense? When the pension funds were getting slapped, when the gilts were going crazy. So inflation's going to get worse. QE in high inflationary environments is not good. Right, but Wreck-It Ralph, this is the thing. It's not now. It's starting in 2024. So here's how I view this. What they're going to do is they're going to raise rates, and they're going to let these bonds fuck around. This is how I'm viewing it right now. So my initial, and pay attention to this, guys, because this is fucking important. My initial reaction from seeing that right now is, one, the Fed understands that if they continue to raise interest rates, the value of these bonds are going to fucking tank. Now, if they're able to backstop this and provide bids in this market, then a lot of those big banks may not have that big of an issue as they were going to have before. But what does that incentivize? Bad behavior. It incentivizes no risk management, less oversight. Just fucking around and basically like doing whatever the hell you want with client depositors' money. That's not great. But here's the thing. What they're basically setting up for is another period of time of QE. So after we go through this tightening cycle and we go through that, Jerome higher for longer Powell, and we start backing off the rates, they may not even need to backstop these bonds, but by the time we get there, the values of these bonds could deteriorate so much that they're still going to come in and pump them up a little bit. So that's not, I don't like that. That's fucked up. That's really strange. But it also said they hadn't done that since 2000. But how is that? Weren't they doing the same thing in 2020? That doesn't make sense. So it must be different. It's buybacks, but they're just gonna... I gotta look at this a little more because that's interesting. They might talk about that. They're gonna talk about that in the meeting today. They're 100% gonna ask, kicking the can down the road to the next administration. Yeah, but there's gonna be a question about that today in the Fed meeting, and you guys need to pay attention to that. So, all of you guys right now, all like 250 of you guys, remember this when we go live for the Fed meeting later today, because there's gonna be a question about it. So we need to pay attention to what Powell says off of that. He's going to be like, well, you know. It's almost like this. This is kind of like the example and analogy that I'm thinking of right here. It's like you have like a shithead kid that just like gets in trouble, crashes cars, destroys mailboxes, does a lot of drugs, and always ends up in trouble. And then the dad comes in and it's just like, whatever, bro, like boys will be boys, and then just fucking bails him out every time. And then the kid's like, well, I don't really give a shit because I know that I can, I don't know, go and graffiti everything, and then daddy's just gonna come in and help me. Like, that doesn't make sense. They love to play kick the can? Yeah, they do. But here's the other thing you got to realize, too. If everybody's kicking the can, nobody is. You have to realize that. It's all relative. So if everything moves up in proportion, yeah, there's going to be some fucking nonsense in there. But, like, I'm thinking about this in terms of, like, other countries and the US dollar. So if everybody starts doing stuff like this and the dollar is going to like start to basically lose value, but all of the other currencies do as well, then it doesn't necessarily matter. And same, like, you reread that tweet. You're right. It's 2024. Pause is still in play for today. I almost think though that that's almost giving us a sign that says they're still going to raise rates today, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Wait, if they buy bonds, yields go down. TLT 2024. Oh, did they just give us a TLT hint? Did they just give us a TLT hint? Hold on. I'm going to see if I can... Did they just give us a TLT hint? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, guys. Keep 3 minutes to go. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I got a video coming for you guys. Ah! So the timeline actually makes sense. Remember, it was end of 23, beginning of 24 for TLT. That makes complete sense. Because if they buy bonds, what happens? Yields go down. What does TLT do? Up. Nancy getting booty clapped. All right, folks. Amanda. Let's see what we get here. 2 minutes. Here we go, folks. Here we go. What's TLT? Turn your notifications off for the channel. I'll have a video on it soon. I've made videos about it in the past. We bottom ticked it back in like November. It's a bond. It's a bond play. I don't know what Zeros is, but there's TBT off of TLT. Fed is begging us all to buy bonds and be happy. They are. Well, if the Fed's gonna start buying bonds, it makes sense to be in, like, this is so strange, bro. All right, yeah. Well, I'm gonna try and make a video about that either this week or this weekend. That's huge news. Like, that's really big news. Like, I don't really pay that much attention to, like, all the macro stuff anymore just because it doesn't matter. What, like, if I'm scalping the 1 minute, who the fuck cares? But that's big. It's happening! All right, team. Less than a minute to go. 30 seconds till the ding-ding. Dude, we're 20 likes away. Holy shit from Tina. Tina. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, remember, everybody gets a free month to the platform with code GAINS. There you guys go. Link at the top of the live chat. Let's do it. Where's SPY? Okay. What do you think is going to happen with AMC? It's over, and it's been over since I've said it has been since last August. So, sorry. I mean, nothing's changed. Sorry. I mean, I don't even want to say sorry at this point. I warned you guys. I warned you all. Let's see. AMD trying to move a little. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. TLT needs to go to the near 90 first. It may not. Fed needs less cash in the cash flow machine. They want us in bonds to slow money. Oh, that's fair. Tesla, what's up with Tessie? Whoa, Tessie, big candle. Ooh, SPY looking interesting here. Right back down. Let's see. AMD cruising. Baba down. That's good. I want that at 79.50. Baba at 79.50 could get spicy. Man, I don't like much here. Intel shares up 2.82% after rival AMD's forecast miss. Oh, there it goes. Amanda. Is this the 5-minute? Yeah, you do have a 5-minute light to the upside. That's the 200 EMA there. Let's see. SPY fucking around here at this 1-minute 200. No, I don't like it. I don't like this price action. Yeah, this is a little bit fucked up. All right, team. Let's see. Tessie. Baba. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 79.50, Baba. That's what I want out of you. 79.50. These premiums? Yeah, exactly. The premiums are ridiculous. Sure, you thought about AMD CPU. This one was set up for Intel instead. Oh, nice. Forward running. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, we're 3 minutes in. Nothing too crazy here. All right, guys, we are 12 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Everything's starting to move back down here. Tessie coming down. Baba getting fucked. TLT not really doing much, but I think they just gave us a TLT hint. Let's see. Dude, it's not... I mean, maybe throw this on the 3. What's this looking like on the 3? This thing is just braided. No. KRE, DPSC, regional bank ETFs popping up off the floor. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, here comes AMD a little bit on the 5-minute. Here we go. Let's see. All right, Spy, where are we going? Where are we going, buddy? Tessie, whoa there, bucko. Holy shit. Hold on, I'm looking at shit here. Oh, we have data too. Hold on. We have 9:45. We got ISM, I think. Oh no, 10 a.m. we have ISM, and then S&P U.S. Services PMI at 9:45. AMD fucking around. Both, Eli. I like both of them equally, I think. Microsoft on the edge of what? Where is it? Baba bounced. Fuck, I don't want that. Microsoft on the edge of what? Microsoft teetering. What's this look like on the 3? Hanging on to that 3-minute 200 and the 5-minute 200 there. Here we go. Lows on the SPY. Let's see. Come on. Let's see what we got here. All right. Hold on. I just scalped ES for a little bit. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if I can catch a nice play here. See if I can get this break up. I scalped it off the low. Here we go. Come on. Come on, bitch. Ready? Oh, this might give it to me. Come on. Come on, you fucker. This will probably, if I take this trade, this will probably be the only trade that I take today. Like, if I nail this, that's it. I already have a stop in profit now. It's a point in profit. I only had 3. Order filled, done. How much am I up today? 295. Cool. Easy. Easy in and out. Thank you. Thank you. Easy. Done. One trade. Out. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do on ES today. Because remember, I can't full size these because remember what happened to the account? I had that additional money that needed to get put in there, and then the identity fraud happened. And somehow the extra money was like in there yesterday, then they took it away, and you guys saw me have a heart attack. But I can tell you where my entry, hold on, limit buy, my entry was at just so you guys know, 4140.25. My first scale out was a 1.25 points higher. My last scale out was 4144. For those of you guys that are fucking around with futures. You played off the 3-minute 200. Yeah, sort of. It was more so this level right here. It did crack down and it just kept fucking around in this level here. I didn't think we were gonna get that crackdown. But yeah, that was basically it was more so like this level. Like you see these levels in here. I play a lot of levels with ES. But let me make sure all my orders are canceled. Really good trade there to start off the day. I'll take that all day long. One trade, in and out, make some money, be done. So, in terms of like what the account should be, I'm up about 2%. In terms of what it is now, because of that nonsense with the bank and them giving the money and then taking it back, it's up 6%. It's fine with me. On one trade, you know how long that took me? Fucking 2 seconds, bro. I can actually tell you how long it took, which is cool. I have the data today. Longest trade, 1 minute and 13 seconds. Thanks. Microsoft, thank you. Quick 7%. Good shit, Wrecker Ralph. Yeah, I mean, then I could come back in for this bounce here off the 200 EMA, off with this 1 minute traffic light. Am I? No. Oh, AMD, Sharkin. Yeah, so if I took that one, that would have been like a quick point stop out, which I didn't like. I like buying off of the lows and like things like that, but good trade. Easy. Easy. Well, you're asking me what the trade was? It was longs on ES futures. That's it for me today. I'm not touching it anymore. I said I didn't really want to trade much today. And that's what I'm gonna do. One trade, done. AMD getting fucked in the mouth. Good job on your futures play. Higher percentage gain due to taxes benefit. Yeah, so DM, this is interesting. In the first 3 days that I've had this live futures account, if I say this is a big if I was trading with the amount that it was supposed to be in there, the account is up in 3 days of almost 17%. If it's based off of what's actually in the account, it's like 34%. Okay? But I'm going to say 17% just because that money should be in there and that's kind of how I'm trading it. But on the other hand, I would have made more money if I had the other money in there to use it. So, I don't know. I'll be nice with it though. But technically the account's up 34% in 3 days. Ha Really good trade there. Really good trade there. AMD getting knifed at this level. Let's see. You're on a layover at the Seaport Hotel. If you want to get a Chipotle later, I'm chilling all day. Oh, we'll see about that. Where is that? That's like, I think I know where that is. Let's see. Okay, SPY coming back down. Let's see if it gets a little rim here. Like, dude, I have fucking nightmares about like accidentally leaving orders out there. Oh, also, we have the midweek masterclass tonight, and what I think we're gonna do is do a little quick breakdown on futures. Can you make 2 accounts on Webull? I believe you can. Quick 7% overall in the AMD falling at the level. Good. There you go, Cody. There you go, bro. So yeah, the plan with this futures account is to flip it into giant big numbers. But my win rate on the futures trades, I can actually tell you what it is. Hold on. What is it? This week, what's my win rate? 70.5%. That's pretty good, man. 5.88% of my contracts have hit break even. Just like basically like me scaling out, throwing stops at break even. So those are technically winning trades because the whole trade is a winner. But it's basically going off of like winning contracts. So been drilling it, been having a great time with them. Especially this week with the Powell nonsense and premiums inflating like this would have just been nonsense in here for me to play. Up on Verizon calls. There you go. And again, guys, make sure that you guys are hopping into Masterclass. Those of you guys that aren't in there yet, go to your subscriptions area. You can click get Master and you're good to go. And for everybody that's on the sidelines, you get a month free to the platform. There you guys go. Use code GAINS, and you guys are all set. Wait, how much am I up today on this? Today? What is this? 295? Oh, that's fine. That's easy, bro. And the account size freaks me out. I don't like having an account this small. I just don't like it. So, I don't know. Flipping it good, though. That was a nice spy move. Well, I mean, think about it. I was in here. Like, sold here. I could have waited, but I don't really, like, care, honestly. So that was, like, what? An extra double of whatever gain I had. But you're going to see a lot of this all day. So you're going to see it start to go and then dank and then start to go and then tank. This is why I don't really want to trade this today. So, and I took that one. I'm up. I'm done. Like, I'm not touching anything else, dude. Haven't taken a trade. That's probably smart, guys, to not really trade today. I'm really focused on the news, seeing what Powell's going to give us. And then after, whoa, AMD, Shark. AMD sharking. That's no fun. Morning, SV. Hit the like button. Freeloaders, join the community. There we go. There we go, Life Wisdom. Thank you, buddy. Again, guys, if you do hit 500 likes on the stream today, I will show you ankles, which is really weird for the new people in here. We did do the origin story of that a little while ago, but yeah, let's see. Howie, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Spanked an AMD put from yesterday. 1348 for the win again. Howie, I mean, you held through earnings, buddy. You held through earnings. That's a bit risky, buddy. That could have gone to zero, but thank you for the super. I appreciate that. I'm glad it worked out for you. I just need you to understand that that was a very, 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 very risky bet, bud. What time's the news? I mean, we just got, what, services PMI? Yeah, and then we get ISM services at 10. Howie, that's not following the rules, pal. Howie. I mean, thanks for the super. I'll take it. Like, oh, Nancy again. Booty clapped. Tomorrow, I might look for Nancy and AMD longs. Depending on what Powell says. I don't hate that idea. Where's Tessie? Still holding on with the SPY. Bro, the way I'm like looking at I don't know what it is about futures that like it just makes sense to my brain, and it's not even that. It's like the way that you can set up your risk that I like. 40% on the Nvidia drop. There you go. Here comes the SPY. Okay, guys. So I just want to let you guys know and I'm going to talk a little nonsense here. I bottom ticked the SPY. Remember what that entry was on ES, those of you futures traders? My entry on ES was what? 4140.25. The low of day is 4140. Ah! Lethal, bro. The bracket save you on futures. I mean, that's kind of... So here is the trade-off that we're going to talk about in the videos and in the masterclass later today. The trade-off is that you can predefine your risk. You're probably not going to be getting yourself into trouble very much. But if you're trading minis, the risk is higher. So you have to be super tight with it. I don't take on... the most I'll set my risk to is 1.5. I'm never going to set my risk to more than 1.5. It's what I'm comfortable with. I don't like doing it. Usually it's, 0.75 or 3 ticks or 4 ticks. It's 3 or 4 tick stop losses. Like, you guys will see me sometimes. I'll be in here, and then it'll just be like, order filled, stop filled. And it's like, okay, whatever. Because when you're hitting these lows like this, you can just get flashed, and then it comes back up, which is fine. SPY moving up to this 5-minute level here, 412.30. Yeah, so the trade-off is, yeah, you can predefine your risk. You're not going to get yourself into more trouble, but that risk that you're able to predefine is most of the time going to be more unless you're trading minis. Here we go. So I bottom take the SPY. I got out of it here. If fucking Ninja wasn't such an asshole, I mean, I could have had my stops at like break even or a little bit in profit and rode this entire move up. But I didn't because identity fraud. So that sucks. Whatever. Made 6.51% of the port, and you're done for the day. Thanks, AMD puts. There you go, Salazar. I mean, I'm technically up that much too, but like, I'm not viewing it like that. I'm viewing the account as if it was what it's supposed to be. 2 points, $10 on minis. Yeah, that's fine. 2 points is not $10. 2 points is $100 on one mini. Wow. Fuck, SPY. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Now I feel bad for missing that, but whatever, bro. Fuck you. The identity thieves strike again. How many points would that have been? How many points would that have been from my bottom tick? So 10 is here. 15 points? Micros, yeah. Bro, that would have been a fucking 15-point trade on ES. Fuck me. On one contract, that would have been $750, I think. Instead, I scalped it for like $300. A lot. Yeah. Yeah, it was a lot. Yeah, I mean, the first day that I started that live account, I was up 1,000, and then I was like, all right, well, fucking chill out here, pal. Ooh, knife. Look at this. So, but the account is up. It's like I'm almost treating it like a small account challenge, seeing if I can take this like quote unquote 10K account to 100K like quick. Which I definitely could if fucking the extra cash was in there and I could go with the size that I want and the double scale out. Now I just get 2 scale outs. 20% and done for the day. Thanks, SPY. There you guys go. Again, team, that 1-minute traffic light there was a banger. Even the 3-minute, dude. 1-minute traffic light, fucking gem. Look at this. This is why I say all the time, guys. Those of you guys sitting in here on the stream, I don't know what the fuck you're doing without trading with the 1-minute traffic lights. Or the traffic lights in general. The daily, the 4-hour, the 3-minute, the 5-minute, the 1-minute. I don't know what you're doing. Seriously. Like, these are so dirty. 1 trade, done for the day. Bing, bang, boom, done. And the best part is you get to use this all for a month for free. Completely free. There you guys go. Use code GAINS. It's free, bro. For a month. There you go. Come test it out. See why thousands of people are printing all the time. Nancy coming back up. AMD trying, but nothing too crazy here. Let's see. Oh, damn, Wreck-It Ralph. That Microsoft move was nasty. All right, let's see. Traffic light entry? Fuck yeah, Dre the Trader. That's awesome, man. Hold on. I got to take a screenshot of this, send it to Gabe, just because he's going to be like, what the fuck? Hold on. He's going to be like, what did you just do? All right. There's a screenshot right there. Up 3% on the port for the day and walking away. Winning loser. Monster. Monster, monster, monster. Yeah, Speed Racer 3 delayed for a bit. We have a lot of stuff in the pipeline. That one should be coming out to you guys pretty soon, though. Yeah, also, including the paper trading last week on the futures account and this week. I haven't had a red day on futures in, like, what, 8 days? Apple's still going? Yeah, interesting. I don't think they're going to hold this here. Is there a daily level that they can throw this to? It's 410.48. I don't think they're dropping it that far. Like, I would like to take something off of this, but the level's right here. Like, it almost makes more sense to have it off the level and let this thing go. Like, it almost makes more sense to do that. Like, retest, bang, up. AMD just getting fucked. Nancy's coming back up, though. Ugh. All right, team. Let's keep dude, you guys are ripping the like button today. Holy shit, we're 50 away from 200 already. It's 10 a.m. Happy Powell Day, everybody. Let's see. Here's this test here. Think SPY's going to retest that 412.19? You talking about the 1 minute 13? It definitely could. Nah, it's Powell. I'm just going to leave it. Cancel, cancel, cancel. I'm actually going to take this. I'm deleting the broker tab on my screen. So I don't want to look at it anymore. I don't want to trade anymore. Is the masterclass only for the 3-year plan? Right now, masterclass is 1 year. So, yes. But yeah. Yeah, but make sure you guys are hopping into Master, man. It's fucking insane what we're doing with you guys in there. I mean, our midweek masterclass tonight is going to be awesome. We're going to go over some futures, some future stuff. Let's see. Hold on. What? Oh, fuck. I want to know what hold on. I have to tweet it out and flex on these people who don't know what they're doing. This one. This one. I just want to know what the entry was. 41025. Wait, that was not it. Hold on. Hold on. Cool. All right, let's see what we got. Discipline? No, I am. I just, hold on. I'm doing this. I'm going to hit cancel. Cancel. I'm spamming the cancel button. Delete. No more. No mas. Microsoft 24 EMA on the 1 minute, perfect example. Yeah. I just, like, this is going to be fucker. Like, there's going to be a lot of fuckery. So there was that little test of the 1 minute 13 here. Let's AMD's just getting fucked, bro. Holy shit. Yeah. Hedge funds face 72-hour deadline to report major losses. What losses? JP Morgan could process another 40 Russian grain export payments. Okay, cool, I guess. Good for you, JP Morgan. Good luck with that. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. I mean, 10:02. Oh, we just got ISM, too. Dude, I'm not even seeing the data come through. Where the come on, guys. You're the data feed for a reason. Come on. Oh, I got it. US ISM April services PMI 51.9 versus March 51.2. Market's not really reacting to any of this data. That's the last piece of data that we're getting before 2 p.m. when we get the rate decision. So that's it for now. We'll see what happens going into later in the day. I'm done trading for the day. Yeah, I was going to say maybe I'll set up some swings, but I won't even consider doing that until after Powell. So we'll see. Let's see. Thank you, Tesla and Spy, up 20%. Elgene, fuck yeah, dude. There you go. There you go. Nancy actually looks interesting with this 5-minute thigh gap move. Is AMD moving back up? I mean, we have this level down here at 81.82. I want it above this. This is basically the 200 EMA on the daily, this line right here. I mean, it's like here, but no, it's right here. All right, it's probably here now. Did I guess it right? 83.88. Fuck, I was a penny. Oh, yep, got it. Got it. See? Look at that. Perfect. Perfect guess. Yeah, so the 200 EMA on the daily is 83.88 on AMD. That's where I have this level right here. I want it back above there. Crude inventory today too? What time is that? Isn't that usually at like 10:30? Or am I wrong on that one? I could be wrong on that. Nancy trying to say fuck your puts. Nancy has earnings at the end of May. Be careful. Nancy could go on a little tear here. Like, especially with the drop from AMD. Like, Nancy's at 277.90 here. I don't hate this. After Powell, I might hunt some Nancy. The addition of the 24 EMA on the charts was a game changer for how I trade on Microsoft. Wreck-It Ralph, I love that, man. That's great. I know you've pretty much got like a solid way that you're looking at things now. I'm glad we could help. Good morning, Vixen, everyone. What up, Benjamin? How you doing, pal? Is it 10:30? Yeah, I thought that oil stuff comes out at 10:30. I mean, I could be wrong though. let's see. Yeah, SPY using that 1 minute 48 as a level there. All right, let's do a little roll call. Those of you guys that decided to trade this morning, what are you guys up so far? Those of you guys that decided to trade, 1348 gang, make some noise here. Let the people know how you guys doing this morning. I know you guys have been killing it. Let's see. Let them know in the chat, team. All you guys that are still interested in hopping in, make sure you guys do that. It's free. Free for a month. That NVIDIA thigh gap was sexy AF. 4% on the port. Good shit, JC. Fuck yeah, dude. It's so simple with us, guys. Like, we don't overcomplicate anything. Everything that you've ever wanted out of the market has been right in front of you the entire time. You've just been too lazy to look, honestly. All right, here comes the SPY slippage. Let's see if it can break this 48 here. Yeah, there it goes. Let's see. 3%, 7%, 16% on the port, 1%, 16%. Damn. 10% on the port with the SPY is 0%, but that's no trades because I'm scared today and just watching. There you go. 7% up, 1.56, 16%, 6.4 on Ford, 6% up. Fuck yeah, guys. That's awesome. That is awesome. Keep it coming. Keep it. 2% so far hunting that thigh gap on Tesla. There you go. There you go. Don't force anything. It's a Powell day. You never know. No trades today, but I'm up 13% on the week on just NVIDIA. Don't necessarily have to do anything today. Matt Carroll, 100%. You don't have to do shit. Yeah, I'm up 17 or 34% on the week, depending on how you look at it. On that new account. With a 70% win rate. Which stock is Nancy? NVIDIA. Which is funny because it also used to be like Nancy Pelosi's love child. And now it also begins with an N. So I call it Nancy. And then I call AMD Amanda. 2.1, good shit, DM. Yeah, DM, the interesting thing, because I'm pretty sure you're trading the futures on TD. What's the margin like on the day margin? What was it, like 10, 12 grand? I'm getting them. I'm able to control these contracts with $500. It's fucking insane. So if I have 5 of them, the notional value I believe is like 200 something thousand. So 5 ES is just controlling $1 million worth of the index. It's full tilt margin YOLO, maximum leverage. Disney's gonna be suing us because we're making monsters over here. Monsters Inc. Yeah, we are, man. Everybody, again. You guys have seen the amount of success that our members have, that I have, that Gabe has, that the algorithms have, that are just programmed with the strategy that we teach you guys. Maybe you've been setting up your levels wrong. Well, Mr. Big Large McHuge, you should turn the notifications on for this channel because there is a support and resistance video that I posted for you guys this week that you guys all need to watch. I mean, again, pay attention or pay a premium if you're struggling. Every single video that we make over here and everything that we say is for a very, very specific reason. We speak with a purpose. We don't do this for our health. If Gabe and I just wanted to sit here and make money and we could. We put in the effort to make sure that you guys have the best tools that you have. Take advantage of them or else you're going to fail, and that's fine, and we'll keep sitting here printing money in the market every single day. Got to put in the work. Don't think that you can approach the market every single day and just willy-nilly your way to profitability. It's not going to happen. Or taking somebody else's alerts. That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Yeah, I didn't even really want to trade today. One trade, makes money, get the fuck out. I mean, I was thinking about shorts off of here. Of these levels in here. But this level was scaring me. This was interesting, so I'll take my money and run. I don't even have the brokerage up on the other screen where I look at you guys at. It's gone. I mean, maybe I'll open it back up to get the screenshot so I can like, just like, because I know on that tweet people are gonna be like, you didn't bottom ticket. It's like, bro, I can just take a screenshot of my order getting filled. Let's see. What? Oh, I'm actually curious. What are SPY premiums like? What are the at the money SPY premiums looking like? Just the daily. Are they over $1? Yep. Wow. $1.57. Holy shit. Holy premium theft, Batman. Oh my God. That's insanity. It's like trading 2-day out contracts that expire today. It's fucking nuts. If you see a short opportunity, you may play, but I'm kind of hunting swings after Powell for next week. Me too. They're jacked. Dude, these premiums are insane. Yeah, stay away. Yeah, I mean, you guys can do whatever the fuck you want. If you don't understand why you would want to stay away when premiums are jacked, you're overpaying. So the premiums will decay faster than they increase, which fucks with your risk reward, and you need to absolutely drill a nasty trade in order to make it make sense. And those are dailies. So the 1-day out, 2-day outs are going to be even more expensive and move slower, but they're still going to decay faster. Microsoft for another 11% in and out, leave a runner in profit. Good shit, Wreck-It Ralph. I mean, yeah. I mean, if we come down to this 200 EMA here on the 1 minute, that could be a nice little bounce level there, but who knows? I don't even have my shit open. I'm not doing it. This is usually, if this was a normal day with price action, I'd be looking for a bounce off the 1 minute 200. Quick bounce to the 48, get the fuck out. Apples are 320. Yeah, see, I don't look at Apple's premiums enough to know. Nvidia's I do, Tesla's I do. It's really Nvidia, Tesla, SPY. I know those chains like the back of my hand. Yeah, so here's this 200 EMA test on the 1 minute. That would have been I mean, I don't have it up, but that would have been the entry right off of here. And then the scale out would probably be right under the top of this candle. Do you guys see the thought process behind that? It's like, okay, well, you get this nice little tap. It comes back up. You scale out. Easy. And if it breaks, it breaks. See, that would have been a stop out unless that scaled it out. So it either would have been a stop out in profit or a scale out up here. Now it's breaking down below. I don't like any of this. Unless you're going to take it to the downside with risk it to 200, but it's flashing right back up. And the premiums are all nonsense here too. So a 1 minute traffic light may not make that much sense. How's the 3 minute looking? Is 3 minute probably thigh gapped back here? Yeah, so guys, look at this. So right as you're getting this 3 minute thigh gap trade on this candle right here, you have risk at 412, what, 30? You gemmed it here. You gemmed it, and you have downside to here. So you could have scaled out at the 13, scaled out at the 48 on the 3 minute thigh gap trade. Again, all of you guys in masterclass, you guys could have easily hit this trade right here. Really, really, really simple textbook thigh gap trade. Very simple. 35 likes. Oh no, Christopher, we're at like 170 likes. We're crushing it right now. You guys are doing good. Let's see if we can run these numbers up to 200 likes. That'd be cool. Russia and Ukraine heating up. A lot of news today. Yeah, I've seen that too. Didn't Russia have some drone nonsense last night? Yeah, so that thigh gap trade on the SPY, gem. That's a dollar move. I'm still happy with my bottom tick. Not necessarily as happy with the scale out as I could have been. I could have left it there, played around with it, but I probably would have gotten stopped by this. So I'm fine with scaling out up here when this thing fucked around. Bounce off the 3 minute 200 here. Where's the 5 minute? Oh, it's slipping down below. You got that 150? You thought Putin was taking ending the war? I don't think so. Yeah, Algo, I saw that. That looks good. Yeah. Also, team, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter too. It's all short to VIX1, one word. lot of cool content coming out over there, helping you guys out with some nice, cool trading tips and tricks, man. Psychological tricks, little news updates on Powell and things like that. Again, you guys want to follow me over there? Love to have you. I'd love to have you. Again, Nancy thigh gap was dirty. Even on the 5 minute was good. The 3 minute, you're getting it on this candle right here. Bing, 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 bing. Nice little easy trade there on Nvidia. You're disappointed they cut your power off this morning? Why'd they do that, El Bago? Why'd they do that? Oh, I gotta pay my electricity bill. I forgot to do that 1 month. But then I paid it. I just forgot. That one's not on auto pay. Microsoft keeps paying 1 to 2 scalps off the 24 on the 1 minute. Wow, that works. Dude, it's nasty. I'm telling you. Masterclass, you guys know what to do, man. You guys know what to do. Yeah, I've been on a little bit of a hot streak right now, too. I feel so lethal in the market, dude. It's disgusting. Russia's now preparing Ukrainian counter-offensive. They are entrenched in defensive positions, so over the next few weeks, we might see a lot of news coming out on the war front. Watch oil, watch Lockheed. What's Lockheed doing today? Not moving. Oxy. It's moving back up. Exxon. Uranium. Okay. I don't see anything moving yet. Is the monthly and quarterly masterclass too? Nope. Only masterclass. So when you go into your subscriptions area of the platform, you click get master and you guys are good to go to hop in. Masterclass, so you get those morning streams with Gabe every single day. You get my midweek masterclasses. You get the upgraded charts. You get the Sunday masterclasses. And we can take things a lot further with you guys in masterclass because we are operating under the assumption that you already have a very, very good grasp on the system as is. But if you guys just want to hop in, everybody gets their first month for free with code GAIN. So make sure that you guys are clicking that link at the top of the live chat if you do want to hop in up there. But, I mean, very, very soon, you're going to see all the masterclass people come back in here, and they're probably going to be like, that was a fucking amazing day. 22-second Tesla trade for a quick 7% gain. Yeah, I told you guys how long that I was trading for this morning in terms of how long I was in the trade. I think it was 1 minute and 8 seconds. For about, like, $300 on a Powell day. Like, I could have kept trading the fuck out of this and then made, like, a couple thousand. I don't care. Like, seriously, I don't give a shit. The Powell days are weird. Like, I don't like coming into Powell days and being like, oh, I'm going to try to make a bunch of money. No. If I see a good setup, I'll take it, and then I'm done. I'm not trying to be a hero on a fucking Powell day. Like, because the other trade that I would have been in were those bounces, and they would have been good. The sell-off with the 3-minute thigh gap, like, those would have been some good trades there, but I just don't care today. I'll take my money and run. And then probably by the end of next week, if I don't put more cash into it, it'll probably be right back up to where it should be without the identity fraud nonsense. So whatever, I'll take it. It just makes it a little bit more, not difficult, but like I can't scale the contracts the way that I want to right now with what's sitting in the account. Like, not reasonably. Like, I have levels of where the account's gonna go and where I can start adding more contracts. Nancy looking interesting. Spy fucking around. Let's see. Spy's dancing on the 200. On the 3-minute, yeah. Is it doing it on... It might be back above on the 5. Yeah, it is back above on the 5. Getting a new job soon, doing swing shift from 5 p.m. to 4 a.m. Going to be making $20K more a year. That's awesome, Gingy. And we'll be able to trade at home now. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. Everybody, give Gingy a nice congratulations. I believe Skidmark also is about to have a really, really amazing event. Let me see. Yeah, really, yeah. Really nice life-changing event there, man. Gonna start trading a lot more with us. That's really great, dude. Congratulations to Skidmark. Congratulations to Gingy. You guys are awesome, man. Oh, on the 1 minute? Is it? Yeah, I'm not the largest fan of this. My favorite trades are the ones that like, boom, knife, and then you can catch it off of a level. Those are my favorite ones because the moves back up are usually very aggressive. You can get a good fill. 412.19 back. Yeah, it's really 412.30 that you got to break, but there's no real reason for these buyers to step up in a big way and start buying the shit out of this thing before Powell. Why? What's the point? Unless they like really think that he's going to do no rate hike, which after yesterday's price action is telling me that the buyers do, like the large market participants do not expect that. So we'll see. 28 days left. There you go, Skidmark. I'm going to get evicted. I'm yelling Skidmark in my apartment. There's families that live next to me. It's weird, guys. This is like the weird thing about like, I don't know. I mean, we can talk about this a little bit. Like being in my situation here at like such a young age, it's like, I don't like interact with people. Like I don't live where the people my age like do. So like I live next to like families and like 45, 50-year-olds. Like it's very strange. Like I'll walk out and it feels weird. I feel like a child because I'll see people and they'll like look at me like, what the fuck? Because I always wonder, I'm like, what do these people do that like live here? I'm like, what are you doing? I'm always very curious about that. I'm like, what do these people do? Like I know what I do. I just steal money in the market all the time. His name's actually Greg. Well, that's fine. I can call you Skidmark. It's very strange. I mean, it's cool. It's a very cool thing to be able to do. We've all worked I put in a lot of time and effort to being able to make this happen. But it's strange sometimes. It's very strange sometimes. But then I use a lot of this stuff to my advantage too. Like I live in the same building as. I thought I saw like a Patriots player here the other day. I was like, that's pretty cool. Like there's famous people walking around sometimes like out in this area. I'm like, oh, that's pretty nice, but I don't know. It's kind of cool. I don't know how you do it. I live in a house, woods on 30 acres. There's more people in your building than in your surrounding 3 towns. There probably is. 6.9% of the port on the Amazon reversal of the traffic light. There you go. Heads up, manufacturing data from China is lower than expected due to geopolitical issues. Large manufacturers are leaving China to do so. Oh, interesting. But yeah, it's weird. Like I use like in terms of like networking and stuff, like I've been able to meet like a lot of very cool people because of it, which is cool. Masterclass rocks, swat that fly. There you go, buddy. Oh, is the masterclass coming back in? Maybe they say the same about you, a famous YouTuber lives here. Well, I'm not really famous. You could have said that I had like some level of clout when I had like 5,000 people in here every single day, but like not really. Like I don't really like I've been recognized at the playground once and then like at another spot one time. Another great masterclass. I told you guys they were gonna come back in and let you guys know how masterclass was. I bet you guys killed it. Again, for all of you guys sitting on the sidelines, all you gotta do in order to hop in there with us is go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, and you are good to go. Take it to the next level and let's run it up, team. Another great masterclass with Gabe. There we go. Master stream was too good this morning. There we go, team. Possible to show us what you see on thigh gap if SPY reverses. It already did it. It already did it back up in here. This is the thigh gap trade with risk at 412.30. Two trades. There you guys go. Great class. Oh, as always, guys. As always. We have a great midweek masterclass prepared for you guys tonight. That's going to be a fun one. I don't know if I'm going to have time to make the slideshow, but I'm going to try and make a slideshow for the video I'm going to be putting out for you guys. but it's damn, I love these masterclass videos with Gabe. Eric, there you go. Good morning, Vix. You just reminded me when I was 16. You were living in Tijuana, paying to buy your mom's house, and had a bunch of buddies staying. Dude, that's whoa. Hold on, shoot the moon. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Good morning, Vix. You just reminded me when I was 16, living in Tijuana, paying to buy my mom's house, had a bunch of buddies staying with me, straight smuggling ganja in the 90s. Now I live with you. My rents. I don't know what the last part of that means, but that's a fucking wild story, bro. Like, I make jokes about accidentally being a drug smuggler, but you fucking, all right, man, run it up, bro. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do, I guess. But yeah, guys, again, make sure you're hopping into Masterclass. The value that we're providing you guys in there is absolutely fucking insane. Oh, off your rent? Does that mean, like, you're a landlord or you live with your parents? You just trade? That's fucking awesome. Retired? Dude, I love that. Dude, I love that, bro. Oh, that's wild. Dude, I would love to hear your story at one point. How are your trades this morning? One trade, bottom ticked ES. Well, not bottom ticked. I basically bottom ticked it. I mean, my entry was what? You can check on Twitter. It was 4140.25. The low of the day so far has been 4140, I believe. And I didn't even really want to trade today, so nailing that trade at open was pretty good. And just give me just in and out. Done. Oh my God, the info Gabe gave today opened your eyes to a whole new way of looking at the charts. Feeling good now. I'm telling you guys, masterclass for the win, man. There you guys go. Hop in if you're ready. But Kenny, I hope your wife's doing better, buddy. All right, folks. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Spy just fucking around. And Robbie, I don't even have that broker up anymore on this second screen because I just want to be done for the day. I'll call in someday, sure. Hit you guys up. Bro, you gotta do that. That would be fucking awesome to hear your stories. Best trading strategy on the planet. Can't wait to join Masterclass. There you guys go. And for all of you guys on the sidelines that are wondering, like, wow, why are all these people, like, so happy with this strategy? Like, well, most people in these communities just don't make any money. What we do is a lot different. The reason why a lot of our members are having such different results, good results, is because we do things a lot differently. So again, we make the barrier to entry super low for everybody. Everybody gets a month free with code GAINS. And again, I'm the only one with a video on their channel with one of their members turning $8,000 into $1 million. We've made 2 millionaires so far. The goal this year is 8 or 8 more to get to 10. And I don't think we're gonna have any problem doing that. So, it's awesome, man. It's awesome what we're doing here. Shout out to all of you guys that have been with us from the very beginning. Those of you guys that are just hopping in now, we are going to get you up to speed and printing with us, man. Fucking love you guys. Let's see. Yeah, Super Dad Dusty. I don't know, like, you're always hunting turkeys. I don't know which area, like, you live in, but, like, turkey season's in, like, the fall over here. Can't complain. God is great. Love the life. All right, man. Go for it. Go for it, man. You're retired now. You're good to go. Oh, my God, guys. We're 10 likes away from 200. Holy fuck. Will a 12:30 stream go? No. We're going to end that 12:30 stream, and then I'll probably stream it over here. 4-hour traffic lights make it so easy. Hit 461% on DHR. Portfolio up 22% on the day. Guys, fuck yeah, team. There you go. Something for everybody. There you go, team. Spring and fall season. Oh, I didn't know that. Watch for a potential SPY slippage here. You do have a 3-minute traffic light to the downside. You could no, it doesn't want to ditch this. It like you could use this 200 EMA as your risk here. Yeah, STFB, we're never going to message you guys. Doubled the account in 2 months. Thank you, 1348 in traffic lights. Let's go, bro. Let's go, dude. Changing lives over here. When you guys send me messages of all of your success, I get so many of them, bro. It's insane. Seeing that every single day is awesome. It's unbelievable, man. Fall, you're after deer. I would go deer hunting, but I probably want to go bow hunting. Because, honestly, this is going to sound like me being like a cocky idiot. One of my random skills is like shooting. Like I don't know what it is. I'm just very, very, very good. It would not be fair. I would like to make it harder and give the animal a chance, you know? I've never been hunting before, though. Let's see. I don't know. I have a lot of random skills, guys. They're very strange. A lot of them nobody gives a shit about. Like, I'm really fucking good at ping pong. Pool, I'm all right. I can play a lot. I can play really good golf. You both. Oh, that's pretty cool. I can juggle. Like, there's a lot of things that I can do that are just like random that like nobody really cares about, but like I'm good at it. Crossbow. Yeah, I have one of those. Actually, I don't know where that is. Your support and resistance video helped a ton. I went from straight blue pill lines, overdose to clear as day color categories levels, so clean. Fuck yeah, bro. Yeah, that's what I in Randy, I want to give a shout out to Randy too. Randy watched that video and started printing. I'm so happy for Randy, man. Randy's been struggling a little bit. You sound like Liam Neeson. I have a particular set of skills. Well, I mean, I do. It's weird. Like, the other thing, too, is, like, I've been boxing since I was 8. Like, I did Muay Thai for a few years, Jiu-Jitsu for a few years. Like, that's also one of my random skills, too. I don't know, man. I can just do a lot of shit. Throwing stars? That's crazy. Let's see. Shreks, I don't even know what that is. Oh, you know what I'm like not great at? Most video games. I'm not good at most video games. I mean, I would be if I played them more. I just get bored. But what I used to be really good at is the first Destiny. If I knew that there was like the ability to like stream and make money as like a kid playing, I was like the best, bro. Like, I was never getting beat. But he can't use a microwave. That I figured out how to do. Yeah, and then there's like random shit that like I don't know how to do. What's the difference between master and regular classes? Master, we take things a lot further with you guys and go in depth to different types of ways to view the market and fine tune your skills so that you can print even more. Because some of the things that we say, we know it's just going to get misconstrued and it may not mean much to the general community. So we take it a lot further in masterclass. You're a golfer, played in college? Oh, that's awesome, Jen. Your parents nurtured you well if you got to do that. What did I get to do? Destiny was peak gaming for dude. Destiny 1. Destiny 1 was sick, bro. Destiny 2 sucked. I used to, because my brother used to play a lot of video games too. I didn't like Destiny 2. So I would play with him and then his work friends, which was funny because then, like, when I was like 14 playing video games with them, a couple years later, I would go like work with them, and they were like, "This fucking kid is working with us now." Have you ever been to the lighthouse in Destiny? Probably. I never did the raids though, because I never had enough people. Let's see. Or handle bottles of Tito's. Yeah, that I can't. I still have that giant scar on my finger from that. What else can I do? Oh, I'm lethal on a trampoline. Like, I can do like double backflips and shit. I don't know. We don't have to talk about my random skills. They're weird. Oh, you guys didn't even ask about Taco Tuesday yet. We haven't even talked about Taco Tuesday. We did pretty good. The boys and I did pretty good, man. AMD running back up. There you go. Guitar, piano, video games, taller too, better hair. Bro, you don't got better hair than me. You don't got better hair than me. All right, let me adjust the camera really quick. Hold on. But yeah, I can also play, I can't really play the piano anymore, but I can play the string bass, the saxophone, the bass guitar, the normal guitar. I can do math. I don't know, man. I had a lot of random fucking skills. Hella skill. Okay, you guys never know what it reminds me of when I talk about the skills thing. You know that scene in Napoleon Dynamite? You gotta have skills, man. Chicks love skills. You guys remember that? Dude, that movie's hilarious. I'm lethal on the trampoline. Yeah, I should say that next time. Oh, trained various stuff since I was a kid. Yeah, my dad used to beat the shit out of me. Not in like a bad way, but like in like a fine way. But if you look at my headgear as a kid, it was literally like it was ripped to shreds, and his was pristine. It's fine now. Now that he's older, I just like randomly attack him, and then he's like, "Ah, I'm gonna kick your ass," and I'm like, "I don't think so, bro." It's fine. It's fun. SVR team, can't find your link in the Discord anymore. What link? Are you missing something? What link? My link? You gotta look for it. I mean, it's in daily live streams, or you just gotta turn on notifications for the channel. All right, let's see, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. I mean, we got Powell coming up today. I'm not doing shit to this live stream. They're there. It's in daily live streams, and I send it in Market Talk. But what solves that is just knowing that I go live at 9 a.m. every single day and having notifications turned on for the channel. Me and your 1348 homie heading down to New Orleans today. Gonna hit up TPC Louisiana. Oh, that's gonna be cool, dude. Send us pictures of that. That'll be sweet. That'll be sweet, dude. Just had masterclass with Gabe, up 0.9% on the port. 1348 works. Yeah, dude, it works very well. Like, if you guys aren't in there with us, yeah, again, everybody gets a month free. Make sure you're hopping in, joining masterclass. Again, 1 month free. Link at the top of the live chat with code GAINS. Don't get left behind. Dude, we hit 200 likes. Thank you, team. Appreciate it. SPY coming down to that level that I was long off of earlier. Now, 4% on the port for the day and done. Hey, you said you were done earlier, winning loser. Thanks, NVIDIA, for the extra 1%. I know, that's a good one, but you said you were done. Your word is very important in the stock market. Yeah, Chris, they've said that a bunch. I don't know if that's actually going to go through. Yeah, so this is right at the level that I was long off of earlier. It's right at it. Let's see if it breaks and comes down to 410.48. Yeah, it's breaking. Just throw this on the 1 minute, see what it's doing. Nah, it's breaking that level here. You got 4 seconds left. Candle close. Yeah, they're breaking this. This thing's probably going to move down here. Let's see. Yeah, I just have the dotted line at the level just to extend it, see if it's going to retest and then down. Nope. Right back up. Yeah, this price action's a bit weird today. You said you were done having kids after the first one. Now I have 3 more. It just feels so good. Are the 4-hour alerts delay on the site? And there are no... On the traffic lights, it's alerting you on candle close to confirm it. So there is no delay. You just have to wait for confirmation to make sure that the light is actually there. But it's going to alert you instantly. There's no delay. Those alerts are incredibly actionable. You made a mistake? What'd you do, AR guy? What'd you do? Cool. It's so... I'm like... Yeah, I just want to leave this here just in case and turn the volume on because it scares me if I, like, accidentally have an order get filled. I wish I could just, like, lock the account for the day and be like, done until tomorrow. Let's see. Spy right back down. Tessie doing its thing. Nancy moving around. I don't know. Let's see. Nancy pushing higher? Yeah, it is. Nancy off those lows was sexy, dude. Jesus. AMD, that's the 200 EMA on the daily right here. Would I close out of Apple before earnings tomorrow? If you have to ask that question, you know the answer. Does Tesla test 170 today? Hell no, bro. What are you? No, that's $6 more. What are you, crazy? I mean, it depends on... I mean, it's possible if Powell just, like, comes out as, like, fuck your puts Powell. Not higher for longer Powell, but, like, no. That's insanity. Ever notice that giant moves happen on ES around 4 a.m.? Yep, that's market open. Or no. That's market open of, like, pre-market for, like, the SPY. Market opens at 6 for ES. But yeah, that happens. So you could wake up that early and trade it. I don't want to, though. The margin stuff is higher, and I don't want to be up at 4 in the fucking morning. Oh, you fat-fingered it, bro? Come on. Come on, guys. Stop doing that. Taking some vitamins. That's fine. Let's see. Nvidia short interest down 18% year to date. Is the #1 losing equity short so far in 2023. Very interesting. Damn, guys, we might hit 250 likes on the morning stream. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. I mean, if you hit 500, I will give you ankles, but you don't have enough time to do that. Yeah, it's 83.90 is the 200 EMA on the daily for AMD here. Last time he was hawkish, we ripped. Right. So why would we trade that if it could go any which way direction? It wouldn't make sense to do so. That's why I'm done for the day. No more trades. No mas. Until the shorts take another position. It's got earnings coming up. I'd be careful with that. Nancy's just been so strong this year, dude. And the thing is, too, those of you guys still sitting on the sidelines with your thumb in your you-know-what, Look at this. Even if you have a 9 to 5, you're making excuses. Look, daily traffic light on NVIDIA in the middle of January. What price was this on the next day? 163. What's NVIDIA trading at now? 280. You could have just made the trade of the year, done fucking nothing, if you were just paying attention to the things that we have on platform for you guys. So, again, it's up to you. It's up to you. You want to take advantage of the opportunity of a lifetime, or you want to keep sitting around? What time does Jerome speak? 2:30 as usual. I'm going to tweet about this, and I don't mean anything in the wrong way to you, Yvonne, but here's the problem. If you don't know what time that the decision comes out and Powell speaks, even though we've been at this for years, man, if you don't know when these big pieces of economic data are coming out from a simple Google search, when I've told you guys many times when you guys can go look for it, you almost need to stop trading. Like, that's just like the basics of like knowing when giant things could move the market around. Like, I'm not like, and we do this every Powell day. It's like, when's he speaking? When's he speaking? It's the same time every time, guys. Or just pin it? No. I want everybody to take accountability for their own trading and know when these data points are happening. You got to know when CPI is. You got to know when Powell's speaking. You have to know when these big pieces of data come out. Because if you don't, and you're going to accidentally hold through these things, you could be completely and utterly fucked. Like, that's just basics. It's like, all right, when's he speaking? Okay, Google, 2 seconds, done. Okay, report comes out at 2, he speaks at 2:30, done. Every FOMC meeting is somebody's first FOMC meeting? I agree. That is true. But at the same time, it's like, guys, know when it's the most important thing you need to know. Know when the data is coming out. Spy knife? Yeah, at a 410.50. Fuck. It's a good ass long there. Come down. Down. More down. Come on. I'm not touching it, but that I don't hate. The new genie also shows you. Exactly. Yeah, I got to update my charts too. All right, there's the test. I'm not touching it. No touchy touch for me. You guys see why these levels are so important? This is a daily level. That would have been another gem right there. But do I need to touch that? No. 50% gains on that trade? Fuck yeah, Romeo. There you go. So do you guys see how easy this is when I'm looking at the futures? You guys saw me talking about this candle right here. I was like, all right, down a little bit more, 410.50 test. Bing. The stop would have been like right around here, a point, and then boom, the scale out would have already happened. See how fucking easy this is? I want you guys to see how simple this is. ISM in 10 minutes? No. That was 10 Eastern. We already got it. We already got ISM. 4.4% on the port with that trade. Boom. Yeah. Like, dude, that would have been an absolute fucking gem. Okay. Do I need it? No. No. I do feel a little FOMO-y on that one because, I mean, I called that to a fucking T. But that's fine. Optimal trading hour is just times in the day where it makes the most sense to trade. That's all it is. Look at this. That would have been another bottom tick. See? Bink. This is what I've been doing. This is all that I'm doing. How do you get that daily level again? Go watch the video I posted this week. $2.34% on the day, thanks to the SPY. There you go, Christopher. So that would have been, let's see, that would have been 5 points. That would have been fucking huge. A June rate hike? No, I don't think so. Easy, easy, easy. Cool. Yeah, so the first scale out, I would have put it at, hold on, where is it? So it would have been here. I would have thrown it here. That would have been like a 2-point scale out, and then with runners up past here. So I would technically still have a runner with this at the next level. Your video felt personal. Dude, don't have F levels every 20 cents. He can do it. You can't. Levels from wicks or candle buys? No, it's always wicks. Scale out on the SPY, already in profit, left 2 positions open, 1 put. Yeah, dude, this bounce here was textbook. Textbook. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. That's all I look for. On futures, that's it. Levels. Key levels, bing, bing, boom, 200 EMA, other levels that are printed on the chart, and then these big key ones from the daily. Because I have to. I can't like take on 3 points of risk. I don't want to do that. Let's see. Now the question is, what is the question, winning loser? SPY still on a downtrend from today's high? Yeah, it is. It's a Powell day, though. You don't have to do anything. Since April 25th, your account is up 169%. That's disgusting. Now the question is, can we get above the 200 EMA on the 3-minute? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Let's see. Now we're coming right back down. See how those daily levels are respected? Let's see. Nancy coming down. AMD tried to get above there for a second. Couldn't do it. The 200 EMA on the daily. That's fine. You're kind of glad you can't trade till next week? Yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, I'm not trading anymore. I drilled it today. I'm done. One trade. In and out. Boom. Right off of here. Bink. Thank you. This one actually would have been bigger. If this was a normal day without Powell, I'd be all over that. Let's see. You already have one? Oh, that could be interesting. That could be interesting, Dre. Yeah, maybe if you're in there, yeah, work with, yeah, I definitely send it over. I'd love to see it. All right, guys, it is 10:55. We're going to be wrapping up the morning live stream for today. I got to get lunch, prepare for all the amazing things that we have going on later today. Remember, all you other guys in here, make sure that you guys are hopping into the platform for free. You get a free first month. There you guys go. And for all of you guys that still need to hop into the masterclass, make sure you guys do that too. You guys see all of the success that masterclass is bringing. You've seen the success stories with it. Again, everything you've ever wanted out of the market has been right in front of you the entire time. You've just been too afraid to take control. So let's do it, team. I will see you guys all in there. All of you new people, we're going to get you guys up to speed. But team, I will see you at 12:30. Then I will see you for Powell later. Peace.